Welcome friends, my name is Jay and you are watching Medical Tube Med. Today I am going to talk about modifier 77 and modifier 76. So in this video I will take a definition of modifier 77 and modifier 76. Then I will take practice examples and then in appropriate use of modifier 76 and modifier 77. So let's get start without wasting a single time. So modifier 76 and modifier 77. Here you can see definition of both. Modifier 76 represent a repeat procedure by same physician on same day. Modifier 77 represent a repeat procedure by different physician on same day. Okay, so difference only here, the procedure is repeating by the same physician, and in case of 77 the procedure is repeated by different physician on same day. We should not use 77 or 76 modifier with any ENM code. Okay, most of the time 76 and 77 we need to use with radiology code, because most of the time physician is repeating the procedure. For example, like chest x-ray, if a physician is not satisfied with the previous result or report, then for confirmation purpose he will repeat the same procedure one more time. For that scene, if the same physician is ordering again the same procedure or same order, then we should use modifier 76. And if the second time a different physician is ordering, means we need to use modifier 77 for that x-ray or any service. We should not use modifier 76 and modifier 77 with any ENM code. So here it is very important note, as per Medicare, when two physicians in a same group with the same specialty performing a repeat service on a same day are considered as a same physician, then we have to append modifier 76 with the subsequent repeat procedure within the same day. If suppose a repeat procedure by the different physician, but both the physicians belong to same specialty, then we should consider as a modifier 76, means it's a same physician. Because why? Because both the physician belongs to same specialty. So we need to check specialty as well. If a repeat procedure by the different physician, even it is a different physician but belongs to same specialty, means we should consider as a same physician. So use modifier 76 in this case. So here one example, when physician order 2 view of chest x-ray at 10 am and because of medical necessity he order another 2 view chest x-ray at 11 am. So in this case first x-ray order on 10 am and second 11 am, means the same procedure repeat again, same procedure repeated by the same physician. So we need to use modifier 76 with second procedure code. Why? Because the same physician, the same procedure repeated by the same physician. So guys, here second example, when physician A order 2 view chest x-ray at 10 am and due to medical necessity another different physician order for another 2 view chest x-ray at 11 am on a same day. Both physicians belong to same specialty. Here you can see both the physicians belong to same specialty, means a different physician, even though we have to use modifier 76 with the subsequent repeat procedure code. Why? Because both the physicians belong to same specialty, so that we should consider as a same physician. So we need to use modifier 76. So one more example guys, here when a physician A order 2 view chest x-ray at 10 am and due to medical necessity he order another 2 view chest x-ray at 11 am and different physician, means physician B order at 12 pm on the same day, means here you can see first 2 chest x-ray were ordered by same physician and third one was ordered by different physician. Here you can see physician A and physician B, means third one was ordered by different physician, not belong to same specialty. So first 2 same physician, so that we need to use modifier 76 with second line item, and Third one was ordered by different physician and it's not belong to same specialty, so that we need to use modifier 77 with third line item. So we need to use modifier 77 with third line item. So like that guys, we need to assign modifier 76 and modifier 77. So next we will see inappropriate use of modifier 77 and modifier 76. So inappropriate use of modifier 76 and modifier 77. So the first point is, it's inappropriate to use modifier 76 with any lab code for repeat laboratory tests within the same day. Use modifier 91 instead of modifier 76. So in case of laboratory test repeat, we should not use modifier 76. So separate modifier is available, that is 91, and 91 only use with lab code. So we should not use 76 with any lab code. It's inappropriate to use modifier 76 with subsequent repeat procedure due to technical fault and equipment issue. If suppose they have repeated the procedure because of technical fault and equipment issue, that time we should not consider modifier 76 for that report. Because why? Because they have repeated because of equipment issue. It's inappropriate to use modifier 76 with subsequent repeat procedure but at different anatomical site, right and left, upper and lower part. In this case, use modifier 59. So for this point I have one example, that is, suppose 93970 upper extremity and lower extremity duplex scan of vein performed on same day at a different session. It's more appropriate to use modifier 59 instead of modifier 76. So guys, in this case we should use modifier 59, don't use modifier 76. Okay. So guys, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe Medical TubeMate channel, and click on bell icon for upcoming video notification and latest coding related updates. Thank you so much.